Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable or disable hotkeys in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up this small window called Run. Here, please type for gpedit.msc. Again, type for gpedit.msc and click on OK the moment you have typed it. Now in this window called Local Group Policy Editor, please adjust the size of the first row so that you can see clearly on the options. Please navigate to User Configuration, and under the User Configuration, click on this option called Administrative Templates and click this forward arrow and select on Windows Components. Under the Windows Components, click this forward arrow, and from here, please navigate to File Explorer. So under the File Explorer, please proceed to this right side of that where you can see a list of options. Here you need to scroll down and locate for turn off Windows hotkeys. So we just have to locate it. So I can see it here. The moment you have find it, please do a right click and go with this edit. So if you would like to disable the hotkeys, all you need to do is you need to click on enabled. Okay? Don't be confused because when you enable that, you would be able to disable that. Why? Because the setting is turned off. So when you enable that, you would be able to disable that. Okay? So click on apply and then okay. Once you're done, please restart your computer and in that way you would be able to disable the Windows hotkeys. But let's say for example, if you would like to enable that. Okay? So all you need to do is you need to do a right click once again, go with edit. Okay. And this time you need to click on disabled. In that way, you would be able to enable the Windows key or hotkeys. So click on apply and then okay. And in this way, you would be able to enable the hotkeys in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, simply close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.